Hey everybody, welcome back to Straight Axle Dubs. Today we are starting the process to revive the Notchback right here. It had been sitting since about June of 2020 when the tires blew and we kind of parked it. But we got some new tires and we dealt with a exploded wheel cylinder, so that's rebuilt, and now we're going to get it running again today. Got the carburetor rebuilt and cleaned, so that's good. But first, you can see that there's two cars behind it. So, two cars. The battery I'm going to take out of the 64 because the two cars share a battery. And then 59, move that around the corner, and then should be good. Come join us. Alright, so the 64 is moved. I'm about to get the battery out. I parked up the street because once the battery's out, we cannot start the car. So we can roll it back down the hill into the driveway. So let's go ahead and get the battery out. Alright, that's car number 2 moved. Now we gotta get the battery out of the 64 to be ready to transfer it into the Notch. Alright, so here's the battery in the 64. You got your negative and positive. So I'm gonna disconnect the negative first, which is what you should always do. Those are 13s, never mind. Alright, so I thought it was a 12, but it's a 13. So thankfully, I brought the 13. Is that the wrong way? Yeah. Alright, so get it loose. Don't take the nut all the way off, because you don't really need to. Get it to where you can wiggle it, like so. I'm just gonna get it out of the way. Now, exact same thing for the positive. And you always want to be careful with the positive, since that one always has juice running to it, and the negative is just a ground. Alright, so battery's disconnected. Now I'm gonna lift it up out of the car. Alright, so battery's out. Handy trick, because batteries are a little bit heavy. Get like a skateboard or something to help you roll it. Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
Alright, this is my alternate starter. Get the deck lid off of me. Where's my pole? Here we go.
brake shoe than what all the sites advertise. They all advertise that 61 through 74 is the same thing, and it's not. The 61 through 63 and a half have a bigger tail where it meets into the
Wheel cylinder.
yeah, the wheel cylinder and the adjusting stars. So it's totally different. So what I found out is the shape of the shoe is the same as the 64 bug, which I have a 64 bug and had some unused shoes that were I don't know why I had them. Maybe they were a lifetime AutoZone replacement thing.
Guaranteed.
Anyway, the ones for the bug are only 39 millimeters wide, but the ones for the Notchback, the one that's supposed to be on here, is supposed to be 45 millimeters wide. So I've got, you know, a little bit less braking capability in the rear. But
At least we have brakes.
yeah, but yeah, they stop. Just now we're trying to just get it to go. That'd be kind of nice.
Weird, you get it past that point and it's fine. It seems like.
Yeah, once we get it past the stumbling point, which, yeah, I don't know exactly what it is. And I hope that, you know, it's won't idle here at the light, which is idling really high. I don't know if you can tell that from the audio and the recording, but here we go.
Just got back from the test drive. Seems to run better as it kept running, or as we kept driving it. Still idles high, which we had the idle set high, but it seemed to accelerate pretty good once it was going, right?
Yeah, it seems like the huge flat spot or lack of accelerator pump, I don't know what it is, seems to start working better.
So
yeah, on the way home we were able to, you know, actually get some power up at high speed, high RPM. So with, you know, full load going down the freeway, fourth gear, 82 miles an hour.
pretty much.
So
All right.
wasn't able to achieve that on the way there. So yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching.